How to check inbox and fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check it out. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, there are different options available. So here on the third option, there is a mail. Simply tap on mail. So this is the place where you can collect or receive different messages from the game. So you must try checking it out because there will be different rewards that you can get it from. So in my case, as you can see, there's a reward. Now simply tap on this collect button. So the reward has been collected and I have been able to collect different coins from it. So you must keep on checking the inbox because there will be some important messages and even rewards like I had just received. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.